Alavagna far side, and a shot by Fabinho, and that might be, it could be, and it is a three-pointer. Terminisi walking in, Marco Terminisi! How did I go? Oh, he read Richie and just trickled one by him. And Milwaukee takes its first lead of the game at 8-7. Base. Alavagna lays it off far side. And kick saving a beauty by Vorberg, but they keep it alive. And Mugin scores. In the league, the Chicago Storm. Fabinho breaks up the pass from Santos. Wave hustling back as Fabinho walks in. Shot and a goal. Shorthand goal. A two-pointer for Fabinho. That is a big play right there. And down from Mbuko. Oh! Ding dong off the post. Toniak at the post, lays it off Mugin. Shot off the post. Oh! Unlucky for Freddie Mugin. Couldn't do anything with it. Takeaway, McKenzie, Wiesner, here's Bird's shot! Off the frame! Giuliano, the Wave's leading scores, been shut down today, but he still almost made something happen there! Goes Hamas. Hamas sends it in, far side! Just missing off the shins of Fontana! Hamas falls! McKenzie header just missing! And Chicago's gonna hang on! Oh my goodness! Milwaukee with just 5 attackers almost able to pull this one out of the fire. First Fontana and then McKenzie. What a game, what an ending.